Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I am attempting my very first Geode coaster. I picked up these molds at Michael's a couple weeks ago and finally pulled them out. My intention was only to do the 2 coasters, but I end up doing 3. Now, these are deeper than what I thought they would be, which is not a bad thing. But this coaster video is for the Coasting Through the Week collaboration that happens every Wednesday. All the information is in the description box below, including links to some of the channels of the people involved and the playlist itself. I had already pre-mixed my resin, and I am going to be mixing in a kind of like an aqua blue, I forget the name of it, from Let's Resin, alcohol ink in 1 cup. Then I end up doing a deeper blue mica powder from some off-brand that I've had in my stash for years in the other cup. In hindsight, I should have went with even a darker blue than what I did with the mica powder, or a little bit lighter on the alcohol ink. And what I meant to do was to mix that mica up in alcohol first and then put it in the resin. But I forgot once again. But it was all okay. It mixed up in the resin very well. The resin that I am using is from Let's Resin 101, 1-to-1 epoxy. And I really didn't even bother putting it through my debubbling machine because these are Geode coasters. And if there's a couple surface bubbles, as long as they don't leave holes, it's not going to bother me too much. And I was going for a theme of icy blue because, let's face it, we just had a major snowstorm. Everything is covered in white outside. And I kind of stole that idea from another collaboration, which was Slay a Tray. They did an icy blue. And so this idea is not solely mine, but I thought I would incorporate it into these coasters. And I mixed up way too much resin. I was figuring each coaster would take 4 ounces. Oh, here I am putting in this bluish colored mirrored crushed glass that I picked up at Michael's. And I'll try to push it down a couple times. You can already see the reaction, the push, which is pretty cool actually. But as I was saying, I stole the idea, or borrowed it. Now we're going to cure, and I'm trying to turn the machine on. Gee, it would really help turning the machine on if I remembered to plug it in. But yeah, there I am holding it up. I solved the issue why my machine wasn't powering on. But I'm going to go ahead and set it. And then we will be back for the demolding. Okay, it's time to demold all this. I had a lot of extras. And a few hearts. some trimming that needs to be done on these hearts. Inclusions or pendants. To me, they're a little bit thick for pendants. So I'm just going to take these last couple out. Oh, I got a bubble. But it's not going to be seen anyhow because it's in the bottom. I got some trimming on the rose to do. A lot of trimming. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Another paw. Man, this overflowed a lot on everything. But there's the pocket hug. Trimming, trimming, trimming. Let's see what happened with the butterfly. Wow, no overflow on the butterfly. I like it. You know, if you remember these, I kind of mixed in the light blue alcohol ink with the dark blue. I kind of like that. Now this, I had to pick up. It actually stuck to my paper. Okay. I don't know if this mold is ruined or not. This was supposed to have a hole in it. But let's see what happens. This was just extra. You know, I had a lot of extra on this and a lot of overpour. Obviously. So let's see what happens with this one. Now let's see if I can get this pulled out. A little bit of suction plus the fact that... There we go. Yeah. Ah! There, it came right out. Of course, there's paper stuck to the back of this. This piece is obviously garbage. Some trimming is going to need done on this. But this is one of the Geode molds. I'm not crazy about this because when it comes to a coaster and stuff, I don't necessarily like the ones that have a hole in it. And maybe it has its purpose. I don't know. It seems like everything has trimming to do. Okay, let's check these out. I'm not backing these. I know that I'm going to have trimming. But that's quite okay. Kind of like the glass pieces, and they did not protrude through. So we are good there. No top coating needed. I'm wondering. I don't have anything black to put that on. Do I? I just put it on my lamp as a black background. No, I'm not going to back coat it with a color because I think it'll take away from the effect. Then here's the other one. Interesting effect. I probably should have used colors that had a little bit more of a contrast. But that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do trimming on a couple of these things. And I'll be back with the final pictures or video.
the ground, quiet in the room. Coffee's gone cold, but the resin's just bloomed. Hands a little tired, but they know what to do. Pouring on my heart in a frozen blue hue. Got a gold mold sitting right in my hand. Every line I've drawn feels just like a plan. North Atlantic cold, but the fire's inside. I'm coasting through the week, let the worries slide on. Pouring love slow, letting time stand still. Every crack in the ice bends to my will. From the loom to the edge, every shimmer I choose. Yeah, I'm coasting through the weekend that I see blue. White like the frost on a window pane, silver catching light like a whisper of rain. These ain't just coasters or stories I tell. Every pore's a piece of me sealed in jail. I don't rush the cold, I let it speak. Some things take time, some things take heat. And when the mold lets go, I already knew there's a little bit of love in that icy blue. I'm pouring love slow, letting time stand still. Every crack in the ice bends to my will. From the boom to the edge, every shimmer I choose. Yeah, I'm coasting through the weekend that I see blue. Oh, they say winter's hard, but it makes things clear. And everything I pour has a little heart right here. So if you feel the cold, don't mean you're alone. Sometimes beauty's born where the ice has grown. From Jenn, the crazy crafter, straight to you, I'm coasting through the week in that icy blue.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box and check out everybody else's videos. All that I did here was clean things up, and I did take a silver chrome marker, just add a little something to it. Love you all, and I will see you next time.
Snow on the ground, quiet in the room. Coffee's gone cold, but the resin's just bloomed. Hands a little tired, but they know what to do. Pouring on my heart in a frozen blue hue. Got a gold mold sitting right in my hand. Every line I've drawn feels just like a plan. North Atlantic cold, but the fire's inside. I'm coasting through the week, let the worries slide on. Pouring love slow, letting time stand still. Every crack in the ice